It was all so far away, what we had in mind and the way that it would go. There was a reward and there was a price to pay, and what we could afford, how little did we know. Read the signs and go the distance in between then and now. Don't it make a world of difference? Don't it feel the same somehow? Trust the road ahead, see the dust that trails behind you. Follow in a feeling and adjust the ties that bind you. Little did we know, it was all so far away, what we had in mind and the way that it would go. There was a reward and there was a price to pay, and what we could afford, how little did we know. Got the tickets, took that train, left that lonesome station, rolled away into the rain, different destinations. You'd have thought there came a time the heartaches never find you. Nothing like a midnight whistle whining to remind you. Little do we know, the signs and went the distance in between now and then. Not the path of least resistance, not a road that ever ends. Guess we read the book of love, the kind that will not blind you. There's a way and you find it, or someday it'll find you. Little did we know, it was all so far away, what we had in mind and the way that it would go. There was a reward and there was a price to pay, what we could afford, how little did we know. Don't it only go to show, how little do we know. Kinda mark the hours of this changing day, changing day. Clouds lift and mood shift, from flesh to flowers they will blossom up and fade away. And the promise that the rainbow's in is disappointment to my friend, but it's safe to say that always new things start. Gratitude is free and pulls like gravity, falling down this bottomless heart. Bottomless heart, it holds no sorrow. Bottomless heart, it holds no pain. No false hopes of yesterday, no fears of tomorrow. There's only now it can contain. And drunken reveries they sway around the place into a haze, expecting any sense won't be too smart. And gratitude is free and pulls like gravity, falling down this bottomless heart. Could be on the upside, maybe heading for a downslide. Now who's to say and who's to judge? When everything is upside down and value systems run aground, and life's too short to hold a grudge, and the cries and cheers of child's play and tombstone poetry lay side by side in grave and schoolyard. And gratitude is free and pulls like gravity, falling down this bottomless heart. And gratitude is free, pulls like gravity, falling down this bottomless heart.
Dank je. Dit liedje heet Believe.
Over on an island, amidst the sea and sky, cypress-spiked mountainsides reaching way up high, where ancient men of wisdom in an age gone by were trying to conceive of the mysteries of mankind. They were living proof, walking with an inner faith. You stumble on a truth, thinking things are so, even though you wouldn't know, but you believe. Believe in what you're seeing, believe in God above, holding on to hope, and mostly you believe in love. Every finest hour must have started with the power to believe. Now it's everywhere and all around, like radio. Not until you see and hear who you really know. You tune into a wavelength and you're dialing up a station to receive. And I don't know the way things work or all the reasons why, but it's just the way it is. It's more than meets the eye. Many a fine thing will be uncovered by and by with a belief. Believe in what you're seeing, believe in God above, holding on to hope, and mostly you believe in love. Every finest hour must have started with the power to believe. I don't know about math or science or philosophy. The wheel was not invented if it was for guys like me. But you don't take things for granted when you're feeling empty-handed and naive. And over on this island, beneath the same sunshine, all those things of wisdom were handed down the line. Oh, they paved the way for what you can't begin to say, but you believe. believe it when you see it. Will you ever rise above? You're always gonna fall behind the lofty ways of love. 'Cause all things small or tall in the beginning stand or fall with a belief. Believe in what you're seeing, believe in God above, holding on to hope, and mostly you believe in love. And every finest hour must have started with the power to believe.